am Ty with WTI, and I am drinking my Evolve Double Chocolate Protein Shake. My favorite thing about this protein shake is that it is a minimally processed product with no artificial sweeteners and no unnecessary additives. Another thing I love is the inclusion of 20 grams of plant-based protein, which is substantial for those looking to meet their protein needs. The double chocolate flavor is absolutely delicious and it makes it easy to drink on a daily basis. It also has a significant fiber content of 10 grams per serving, which contribute to my digestive health and helps me meet my daily fiber requirements. It also comes in this convenient, ready to drink carton, so I can easily grab it, throw it in my lunch bag, and take it on the go. So if you are seeking a vegan protein option with a delicious flavor, I highly recommend this one. And that's my point of view.